Ciao! Today I want to show you how you can include your help center in your messenger like this. So for example, we can search help center live chat. And here we go. This is actually what we need for this tutorial. So we're going to open it. This is how the articles is going to be shown in your messenger. So people will not abandon your website in this case and find the solution without leaving it. So from here, we can go to our customer dashboard, click on Help Center on the left, and then click on Messenger. Now you can enable Show in Messenger and save it. This will be enough to show the Help Center in your live chat. So you're gonna see it. Okay. If it's not appearing yet, you need to check your general. If the status over here of your Help Center is not activated, there is no way we can enable it in your messenger. So first of all, be sure that you have enabled in your general settings the status of your app center, and then of course the messenger should be enabled as well. Here you can also enable the auto suggest of the articles with AI. That means that whenever someone is writing on the live chat, we are going to suggest a couple of articles regarding the query. And this is our first layer of AI. We launched a new way of interacting with your customer with AI, that is a GPT model built on your app center, plus some other benefits you can use by adding Aura to your live chat. But let's say something you want to know that, first of all, it is multi-language by default and is conversational by default. As you can see over here, it's not just providing an answer with some article, some suggested article. This is actually a new conversational way of handling your support. And Aura over here, your assistant, and she can provide to you and your team where she took the information from. It's very, very powerful. It's cheap compared to any other agent that might handle the conversation. It responds to customer inquiries 24/7. And of course, the first average response time is less than 30 seconds. If you have a knowledge base and you're using the Help Center in Customerly to share your knowledge base, by enabling Aura on your live chats, you will be able to provide support in no time with very, very precise information shared. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.